Okay, so here is the demo for the bug fixing for the full thumbnails. I'd like to start with the graphics. So I already uploaded 4 files. So first 2 files are just mere elements, this and this. And I also uploaded 2 differently oriented photos. So one photo is landscape oriented and second photo is a portrait scale oriented. Both photos are opened perfectly. So here it is 1 and here it is 2. And on the base of these photos I created 2 templates with migration script or seed script. So here is one template. And here is the second template. I'd like to pay your attention that these templates are a little bit aligned so that we can know for sure if the thumbnail is corrupted. So I aligned this image to left and stretched horizontally, and another image I stretched by width and aligned vertically to the top. So I'm expecting that all these images will be reflected on the graphics tab as they are in graphics editor. So just to reproduce our bug, I will go to designs and create a new design. So right now I'm trying to reproduce this bug. I select piece, go to graphics, and by the way, here are our graphic elements, and I click templates, and I see now that templates are thumbnails for templates are corrupted. I see it by these pictures. Then I will apply my fix. So designs, okay. Okay, yeah. Page was recompiled. So let's look on our templates. I will select this, go to graphics, and click templates tab. You can see that thumbs are not corrupted. First file or first image was aligned to the top, and the second image was aligned to the left. So I see full images, and it means that this bug is correctly fixed.